Hey everybody, Jeremy here with another video about Reddit ads. Today I wanted to run through a really popular, not popular, infamous question that I see about Reddit ads all the time, and that is people saying that Reddit ads might be fraud. Maybe these are a bunch of bots, maybe these are, not like valid clicks, things like that, right? And I just wanted to run through that. So I'm working on an affiliate offer here that I do a lot of, do some affiliate offers for testing purposes, things like that, when it comes to Reddit ads. So I have some like real data in order to kind of show everybody. And so one of the interesting things here is you'll see that we're in my affiliate dashboard, and most of this is blurred out. For obvious reasons, right? But I want to show you, so this is powered by Fraud Logics, which is kind of one of those anti-fraud companies in regards to like click fraud and things like that for affiliate offers and other things. They're pretty well-respected company. Obviously, the folks that I work with don't want their affiliates sending over fraudulent traffic, things like that, right? And so, as I've, kind of worked through a bunch of this and gotten some good volume with, Reddit ads here, I was able to say, okay, this top one and this bottom one, these are Reddit, and this does the suspicious clicks as flagged by Fraud Logics, right? And so what we're looking at is, over 2,000 clicks and about 100, and what does that work out to? 112 fraudulent clicks. So we're looking at about a 5% bot fraudulent suspicious rate, right? And that's actually not bad. I know that 5%, that sounds crappy, but in the grand scheme of digital advertising, 5% is pretty low. So a lot of the people, I don't know where they're getting their sources on. Are Reddit ads fraudulent? Are like the clicks fraudulent? Things like that. But I got to tell you, this tool that I'm seeing, it doesn't really show that. I've read statistics that are said that up to half of all display clicks are fraudulent, and so to me, that just doesn't hold up with the tools that I'm seeing. Obviously, this is not the kind of end all be all of analysis, but I just wanted to share, kind of my personal insights with you about this topic, and let you know that this is not something that I'm seeing. It's not something that I'm able to corroborate. Obviously, make up your own mind whether or not Reddit ads are worth it for you, but to claim that they're click fraud, I just don't see it holding water. So let me know your thoughts. If you all have some other sources that you could point to that are like not anecdotal, that are actually like, stats based or backed up by some sort of company or something like that, feel free to share it. I'd love to be proved wrong. But for me, what I'm seeing is that Reddit ads are on the up and up. So thank you all for watching, and happy marketing, everybody.